Welcome to Whisp system for automated calls. As an agent, for you, I'm going to take you through the process on how you're going to utilize the system to create appointments and reminders for the patients for the particular hospitals that you're working with. So right here, I've opened my laptop, my computer, my phone, my tablet, right? So when it opens, you can use either of the browsers. Are you going to, if you have Chrome, if you have Edge, and then um, if you also have, for example, any browser you're going to use. So as for me, I'm going to use uh, Chrome. So I'm going to open one right here, and then I'm going to type in app.wisp health dot africa. So when I click, it's going to open, right? When it opens, um, you should be having credentials. I mean, they should have created for an account by a Wisp administrator. So when they give you your credentials, which you receive via SMS, you type in your username here and then the password. So for me, I'm going to use this one. And if you, I want these credentials to be saved in my laptop, my phone, I'm going to select remember me and then log in. So when I log in as an agent, I access something of this kind. A dashboard that looks like this. I'm able to see the language I've used and then also the current balance that we have for the calls to be made. I'm also able to see how many calls we have made in regards to remainder types, appointment, as well as our medication. And then I'm also able to see, as per my hospital, which medicine are we giving out more. And then I'm also able to see the patient traffic, the patients that we have served on a particular day. So apart from that, we are also able to see other buttons on the system, which I can call to action buttons, where I have schedule alert and then pay. So when you click on schedule alert, that's where you can come and schedule an appointment or a medication alert. So right here, you read through the form and then you look at what it is exactly looking for or want from you. So here you have to provide the patient hospital number, and then right here you select the reminder type. Is it appointment or is it medication? So when you select appointment, you select the language, you provide the phone number, just like the way you see an example in the field. You select the appointment type, you provide the appointment date and as well as the appointment time. So if the appointment is going to happen tomorrow at 9 a.m., this is what the system will do. The system will call our patient the day before the appointment at 9 p.m. And then it also call the patient on that very day at 7 a.m. and also on the exact time the appointment has to happen to be consistent and remind our patient to go and take their appointment. So you can click on schedule, alert, or reminder. So when we go back to dashboard still, and then come back to schedule alert, we we are now going to see how we can schedule the medication one. It's still the same process, but this time we are going to select medication. You select the language, provide the phone number, the first dose day, the first dose time. The medication, you can see they're saying you can search or type to create a new medication. In case the medication you want is not actually part of what we have in our system. The number of days that the medication has to be taken, and then as well as the frequency, is it 12 times a day, 4 times a day, 3 times a day, 2 times a day, once a day, only at night, only at this time. You can as well add, you can add as many drugs as possible depending on how many drugs the patient is going to take, right? So that's how you create an appointment. So you can see this button says back to the schedule calls. When you go back here, you'll be presented to the interface. We're here. As fund agent, you don't have the right to view the scheduled alerts, right? When you schedule an alert and then they show you you've successfully created, that's enough for you to understand. So when you go back to the dashboard, there is another button of making payment. You have the right to make the payment. You can click on the button to come and make payment. You can make payment by selecting the range that your hospital belongs to, how much, and when you put in the phone number, just like you see here, you receive a prompt that requests you to put in your phone number. You put in your, put in your PIN. When you put in your PIN, the payments will be made. And when we click back to the payments, you will brought the interface like this one where you see the payment has been successful and all that has failed. In case you need some kind of support, on the sidebar there is contact support. You can always call us directly or WhatsApp us, email us, or visit us at our physical offices. We are working Monday to Sunday to provide all the kind of support that we can. Other than that, we also have the account settings, where you can see your profile, change your information in case you want to. You can see your hospital details, and then you can as well change your password. So that is how an agent is going to utilize the Whisp system to schedule alerts. So you come back here, in case you've forgotten your password, there is another keyword here which is called forgot password. When you click on it right here, it will be brought to a form here where you fill in your phone number, just like this one. And this phone number, you click to send password. So you click send password, they will send you an SMS. But apart from that, you can as well contact Wisp administrators to reset for you the password. That's how an agent can utilize Wisp system to create appointments and reminders for the patients there. So thank you for choosing Wisp Health. Have a lovely day.